think that most of our customers don't realize that we do sell or we supply epoxy coatings. We are typically known as a commercial flooring company, and that's how we're viewed in the market. So that has been a hill that we've tried to climb and get out and educate our customer base that we are in the resinous business. We've been fortunate enough through partnerships with other people to do some pretty high profile projects in Indiana and in other places. We were able to do the Atlanta Falcons' new stadium. We did a couple of areas within the stadium that were pretty unique projects, and I like to think of those as more like artwork that we've done on the floor rather than just putting down a resinous floor. We've done work at Indiana University at Assembly Hall, as well as Memorial Coliseum in Fort Wayne. So we've had some pretty high profile projects that we've been able to work on, which are fun projects to do. One of my favorite projects that we did, even though it isn't one of the largest, was at the Fiji House in Bloomington. There were a couple of lounges that they wanted to do something different in. So what we ended up doing is we painted with epoxy coatings the replica of the IU football field, as well as the Assembly Hall basketball court in each one of those different areas. The end product was pretty cool, and it's hard to believe that it's an epoxy coating. We got in the epoxy business in 2013 through an acquisition of engineered flooring. It was commonly known as EFI, and EFI had been in the Indianapolis market for 25 or 30 years, and they were pretty well known. Even though we've only been in this business for 5 years, we came in with 25 plus years of experience through the people that we acquired through engineered flooring, or that came over with engineered flooring. So that really gave us a lot of experience right from the beginning, and we're continuing to build upon that experience and expand upon those people, and try to become better known in the market as a resinous coating company.